that like a giant rock over there? Come on, wind! Come on, wind! That guy's back at it. He's destined to go through those tires tonight. Hey everybody, I'm giving away a brand new Scotty Cameron Super Select putter. Watch until the end of the video to find out how. Oh boy, pushed it. That seemed pretty long too.
That's what she said.
What's up everybody? I went down to Grass Clippings Golf Course near Phoenix, Arizona the night before the Good Desert Open. I didn't get to play the course like a two-man scramble like the Good Desert Open, but I did get to play in worse conditions than they did. The wind was much stronger, and it was maybe 40 degrees, and it was really, really cold. Alright, I think he said 167. Par 3 course. Ah, the wind's got it. That was long. I stopped recording about hole 13 because it was starting to rain really hard. I ended up making it all the way through 17 holes and then quit. Here's how my round went, and thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. That's not too bad. Oh, thank you. 92. You gotta get down, ball. Get down. Oh, that's short.
That's nonsense. You know that's not true.
No, it doesn't really break much at all. Right there it did. Come on, wind! Come on, wind! I don't even know where it ended up. Yeah, I thought I was going this way. Hey, I got a par. Come here, ball. God, now we got the opposite wind. So it says 115-ish. Oh God, foot's in a bad hole. I don't know. Oh. All right. 102. Come on. Oh, right turn, left turn. Is that like a giant rock over there?
Yeah, it was like on that side, yeah.
Is that a rock though?
I'm pretty sure it is, yeah.
Oh well. I'll find it. Or hit another one.
Not getting.
Yeah, I might. It's a long ways from the path, right? I'd rather hit another one and. I went the other way. All right, second shot off the little hard pan clay. Got to get this over. The ground's kind of sitting in a little rut too. Sit down.
Are you playing double zeros?
Yeah.
This is your first one, I'm pretty sure, if you want to play that one too.
What'd it do? Hit something and come back over here?
I think so. It's got like a red cross.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No way.
Yeah.
Holy shit.
Excellent!
Can't make a putt. Saved my life.
Got you! I won't let go.
Short. Is it short?
Nah, I actually don't see the.
Oh, wait, no, I see it.
You do, because I don't.
Wow, that broke a lot. A lot. God, when they stop, they just...
Hey, my girlfriend's dead, you know. She fell off a cliff and died on impact.
Little stinger. Oh my God. Yeah. Can't feel my body right now, but yeah, I'll still 3-putt from there with these greens. Oh my God, that's 3 feet short. And that's with 3 over on the last 2 holes. Yeah. Oh, and I yanked the shit out of that thing. The whole way I'm thinking it's got to stop before it gets the hole. And then I thought maybe it is going to get there. Oh my God. Oh my God. That guy's back at it. He's destined to go through those tires tonight. Woo! A 105-ish. Oh, I see it now. I see it now. It's short again. When I do hit them good, they're It's almost golf season, so I'm giving away a brand new Scotty Cameron Studio Select putter. 100% free, no purchase necessary. To enter, go to my YouTube channel, Golf Apocalypse, watch some golf videos, and leave a comment about anything on the bottom of the video. You can enter one time per video, but you have to comment on that video for a valid entry. The contest ends May 31st, and please don't forget to like the videos and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Good luck and thanks.